Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add narration to your videos in InShot. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPad Pro. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, open your video project. Then you will have to tap on the music icon. It's the second icon on the left. And then you can tap on the record and start your voiceover by talking over your video like this. You can stop it, and if you tap on the save, it will add it to your video as a voiceover. You can continue it by tapping here, and it's going to start the voiceover recording from the same place where you left off. So you can talk and talk and talk and narrate your videos using this feature, which is very easy to do. You can also watch your video in the same time and see what you are narrating, and it's very easy to do so. And also a very nice feature because it works very seamlessly on a phone, which is very impressive using these small processors. So yeah, this is how you can do it. You can edit your voiceovers after them, you can move them around, you can shorten them, you can cut them with split, you can delete some parts, you can change the volume,
Talking
you can
over your video.
you can lower the volume, you can fade in, fade out. So there are quite a lot of options to make your video perfect. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.